701 cold start already then. So what's it like to be a small YouTuber, not making your money off YouTube revenue? Well, this is what it's like. Heading to work, even though I do not feel good. Stomach's bothering me. Something I ate. Don't know. I don't feel well. Gotta go make those beans, buddy. Gotta go make those beans. Heading out, non-highway route. So although this bike is fairly fast enough to handle highway, I do not love riding this bike on the highway due to the lack of wind protection. So we take a non-highway route. We're getting out there. It's very hot today, but airflow, hooray for airflow. Here we go, here we go, here we go. So yes, we're getting out here. Good old airflow. But yeah, I wasn't feeling so good, but we're rolling now. The air's hitting me. I'm waking up. I'm starting to feel better. But yeah, 12-hour shift. Be on my feet most of the night. Have to wear a mask for 10.5 hours. I get to take it off during break because of eating. And we keep like more than 6 foot apart in the break room as we sit at our tables, 1 per person. So hopefully you guys are doing well during all this virus situation. It is a crazy time that we're living through right now. But yeah. That looked like a cop. Woo! Woo! Alrighty then. Enough with the 360 camera, guys. Enough with the 360 camera. Getting breezy now. So, oh God, feeling better now. Feeling better. A couple wheels up in the air and we're feeling as good as new. Gotta go to work. 12-hour shifts. Yada yada yada. So yes, gotta work 48 hours a week. Gotta ride when I can, record when I can. Edit. What's it like being a small YouTuber, going to work when you don't feel that good, you don't get enough time off, but like we do our best, we do our best. Man, so yes, also being a small YouTuber, not getting the views that you want, you know, you never get the kind of exposure that you really want being a smaller channel. So yeah, it's hard to get the type of exposure you want, but you know, we get there, we do our best. Woo! Got the back brake down. The wind feels a little swirly today. Haha. Yes, swirly. I work 2 day shifts, 6 at 6 in the morning, 24 hours off, then 2 night shifts, 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Then basically 4 days off, but you get off that first day at 6 a.m. Good times, good times. Okay, what are we doing here? What the freak is going on here? That is a not so small gathering of people. Oh wow. What the freak? I swear that dude was wearing a bicycle helmet. I like this hill a little bit. See if we can get anything going up this hill. Alright, I ain't mad. I don't get a lot of second gear rollers like up hills like that, so you know, for a cold shot one, I ain't mad. I ain't mad. Yeah. Freaking underdog, Motomania. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Time to go to work. I'm clowning. Okay. Well, just because I'm a small YouTuber doesn't mean I can't have a little fun on the way to work. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Yeah. Woo! Howdy! Oh boy, I got my steering stabilizer tight. That looks a little like a SV650. Nice. Okay, what's it like? What's it like to be a small YouTuber? Ride to work, dismantle my camera equipment, put it in my bag, and probably set it up later. Maybe see you guys in 12 hours. Go faster for you than it's gonna go for me. 12 hours later, guys. See ya. When you're a small-time YouTuber, just got out of my 12-hour overnight shift. Yeah. Testing it. Oh man. Oh yeah, we're testing it, right? Yeah. Oh fuck. What's up here? Whoa! Stones. Better. Woo, that was a bump. This road. Whoa, hi. Huh. Yeah, I know this road like the back of my hand. Hey, when did that get there? Okay, well this is new pavement. My wheelies are trash on the way home. Hey girl, oh, look at that. That's something. Husky, hey buddy. Hi. Hello. My wheelies are trash on the way home. Shall I take one pass on one of my better wheelie roads? And since I'm here, the answer's undoubtedly yeah. Yeah, of course I'm gonna take a pass. So, hi. Okay, let's see if this guy kills me. Yep. Wheelies are trash today. Woo-wee! So yes, that way to the sun flare. Woo-wee! So that's what I was hoping to get. A little sun flare on the way home. And we got a little one. We got a little one. We got a little one. Okay. That's something, that's something, that's something. No one drives with their lights on. Woo! Alright. You. Yeah, 12 hours of work, a little fatigue. Seems to make a difference. Oh, sheep. Hey guys, I scared the sheeps. Alright. I pulled it like a ninja. No one knows I'm home. Don't tell. Alright guys, that's what it's like to be a small-time YouTuber. Record on the way to work. Ride home dead tired after 12 hours of working overnight. Beautiful sky right now. Check that out over there. My dog's over there. Cute. Anyway, if you made it this far, why don't you like, comment, subscribe, share my content. Thanks for riding with Underdog Moto Mania. Until next time guys, come ride with me. Peace. Yeah.